everyone, and my name is Sadie and this is Artlife. Today let's make this. Today we're going to use some painting and drawing skills. We use the ruler and watercolours to make this artwork. Do you like it, everyone? Let's have a go together. Let's have a go today. Together. 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 What you need for this task is some watercolours, a ruler, and this pen, permanent pen, and some water and a piece of paper. Let's get started. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today we're going to draw a big heart with our permanent pen. Can you see that big heart? Do it nice and big. Now we're going to do a checkered background. Put your ruler up here and put one all the way down here. Start from the top and finish there, and then put it down here, and then do the rest. See?
All the way across the page.
All the way across the page. It's really good for kids to how to learn to use a ruler. One more. It doesn't matter if it's perfect, just try your best. These lines are called vertical. Now we're going to do horizontal, which is going the other way. Start at the top. I'm doing lines the other way, like that.
How do you think it's looking?
How do you think it's looking? I'm just learning how to use a ruler, but it's good practice.
It's okay.
We've been drawing really carefully, now we have to paint carefully. Make sure you use a permanent pen because we're about to use water. You choose 4 colours only. Pink, purple, orange and red. Pink space, pink space, pink space, pink space, pink. Try and stay in the lines as best as you can.
Good.
If the pink is here, don't do pink above it. Pink space, pink space, pink space, pink space. Okay, pink. small, it's hard for the paint. What colour are you guys going to choose? This part's really tricky because we have to paint around the heart and not in the side, not inside. To make it easier, turn it upside down and paint the rest. I made a mistake. But it's okay, we can paint over it later. There! Oh! Oh! I need to paint two. Do the second colour on the ones you haven't done yet. Purple brush. Stay in the lines as best as you can. You have to concentrate a lot so you don't make a mistake. Now I can fix this one. I'm all done.
But it's not finished yet.
What? You can do whatever shape you want, like a triangle, a square, a star, or a picture. There, in there, there. Last one, all done. What do you think, guys?
Hold it up.
What do you think, guys? It's as simple as that. Did you have fun creating this? Thanks for watching Sadie TV. Thanks for watching Sadie TV.